In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on virtual reality in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. If you want websites to be able to ask for VR access, this setting is exactly what you need. It's a quick change, but it can make a big difference if you use Chrome for virtual reality experiences, browser-based demos, or webxr content. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can access all of the browser settings. From here, click Settings. That will take you to the full Chrome settings page. Next, in the left or main menu, click Privacy and Security. This section controls your browsing privacy, permissions, and site access options. Inside Privacy and Security, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome lets you manage what websites can use, such as your camera, microphone, location, notifications, and other special permissions. Now scroll down until you find Additional Permissions and click it. This section contains more advanced site permission controls that are not always visible right away. After that, scroll down again and click Virtual Reality. This is the exact setting you need to manage virtual reality access in Chrome. Once you open it, you'll see the permission option for VR access. Select sites can ask to use virtual reality devices and data. Turning this on allows websites to request permission when they need access to VR devices and related data. That means compatible VR sites can prompt you instead of being blocked automatically. And that's it. You've now turned on virtual reality in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.